Hello everyone, I welcome you back on my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell about the massive selling which is happening all across the globe and why the markets are falling. So क्यों मार्केट गिर रहा है, क्या इसमें रीज़न ये एक और भी है कि न्यूज़ में भी आ रहा है कि वॉरेन बफेट हैज़ ऑलरेडी सोल्ड हिज 50% एप्पल स्टेक. So what all things are behind this, what is the exact reason, so all those things I'm going to discuss in this video. So please watch the video till the end to know all the details, and if you have any questions regarding that, definitely put your comments in the comment box and I will get back to you on that. So with the news of Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway cuts Apple stake by almost 50% in this selling market. So Berkshire Hathaway Inclusive has its stake in Apple Inclusive by almost 50% as a part of massive selling in the second quarter, and it is said that the billionaire Warren Buffett has now a cash pile of $276.9 billion. So what does it indicate? क्यों वॉरेन बफेट ने अपने 50% एप्पल स्टेक सेल कर दिए हैं? क्या ये एक इंडिकेशन है कि मार्केट इज नाउ गोइंग टू फॉल मोर? एंड इट इज सेड दैट ही इज ऑलरेडी सिटिंग ऑन अ कैश बिकॉज इट हैव ऑलरेडी sold off his Apple stock. Now let's try to understand what impact it has in our market. Stock market crash today has been followed by the trend of global market as US future, if you say, were in deep red with Nasdaq futures down almost over 2%. So Friday से ये इंडिकेशन था कि मार्केट फॉल होगा. So indexes like Nifty, Sensex opened very lower today. So almost 3% down we saw in our market, which is a reason for weak global cues and you can say US recession fears. So this follows the trend of global market as US futures were red, and here I will discuss about the top 3 reasons why Indian stock market are falling today. So let's discuss about the first reason. So first reason is the US recession fear. जी हाँ, तो US recession fear क्या है? So there are fears that the US economy could be entering into a recessionary phase. Recessionary phase का मतलब होता है jobs नहीं होंगे मार्केट में. This comes with a massive hiring slowdown in July in the US as the country added only, you can say, 1,14,000 jobs compared to 2,15,000 jobs, that is monthly average of last year. तो जॉब्स जो है काफी कम हो गए हैं, तो दैट could lead to a higher recession in US. So this is one of the reasons. If we talk about the US unemployment percentage, so it has jumped around 4.3%, that is highest since October 2021. Second reason is Bank of Japan policy changes. Yes, Japan's Nikkei 225 fell as Bank of Japan raised its benchmark interest rate, pushing the value of Japanese yen higher against the US dollar. तो येन की जो वैल्यू है वो हायर हो गई अगेंस्ट US डॉलर. Third reason which is there is the Iran-Israel tensions. So tensions in the Middle East rose after Iran, Hamas have they are the Israel's assassination of or the death of Hamas chief as well. So due to this wars which is going on from quite a long time also, this is also creating a kind of conflict. So what do you think? Is it a good time to invest in this market, or you should wait for the global things to cool down and then invest? So as an investor, I think it is a good time, like you should wait and watch, let the market cool down, let the global market to settle down, and then you can think of investing, because just investing in the rush that you just don't miss out on buy on dips is not a good or a smart decision as an smart investor. So wait for some time, let the market settle. Maybe after US election also it is a good time. So because many new things can be coming up before the election as well, and we can see more corrections in the market. So this is all I wanted to say in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like, please do subscribe to the channel and comment your queries in the comment box as well. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.